Hi guys, here most of them get answer 13 for this problem, wrong order. Here 2 power 3 is 8 times 4 minus 6 divided by 2. They do this, 8 times 4 is 32 minus 6 divided by 2. Here 32 minus 6 is 26 divided by this 2. Here 26 divided by 2 is 13 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operations, PEMDAS, this 13 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation to solve this problem in correct order. Here this is a bracket, higher priority. This is a exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. Also this addition subtraction both are equal priority. For this equal priority we are going to introduce this left to right rule in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct order by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. In this problem we don't have the bracket, so we are moving to next priority is exponent. Here we have exponent, so we have to do this exponent before this operations. So here 2 power 3 is 8 times 4 minus 6 divided by 2. Next priority is multiplication and division. Here we have multiplication and division. Here multiplication division both are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is this 8 times 4. So we have to do this 8 times 4 before the subtraction and division. Here 8 times 4 is 32 minus 6 divided by 2. Here we have subtraction and division. Here division is higher priority than the subtraction. So we have to do this division before the subtraction. So 32 minus 6 divided by 2 is 3. Here 32 minus this 3 is 29 is the correct answer.